what you tell your friends about. I'm the crazy ex-girl you pretend you don't know, 'cause you know I could ruin your life. Rumor has it you have someone new. She'll regret you like a bad tattoo, 'cause you'll never change, you'll always stay the same.
Hey guys, and welcome back. If you've been following along, you know that I've been at my mom's working on her kitchen and fixing to do the backsplash and her countertops, so be looking for that soon. But while I was waiting on that, I thought I would pay Kaylin's bathroom some attention. So I hadn't really paid that much attention to this bathroom. I think you can kind of get used to something looking a certain way. And when I would go in here and use the bathroom, I just didn't really pay that much attention to it because it's been like this for so long. I've been in a decluttering mood since I've did her bedroom and, just trying to get her on the right path to let things go. You don't need so much, all of that. And I thought, man, we should really work on her bathroom. So I told Kaylin, I said, if you will go through those things on that shelf and declutter them, then I'll redo your bathroom. I'll use some things that I already have. We're not going to spend a whole lot of money, but we'll use what we've already got, and I'll let you pick from what paint I've got left over from certain projects, just different things, if you'll get rid of some of this stuff and get rid of this shelf above the toilet. So she was like, I use all of that stuff. I said, there is no way you use all of that stuff. She was like, I do. Like that box of medicine. That could go in a medicine cabinet. She said, well, that's my prescription toothpaste. I said, okay, are you using it? Because it's in a box and there's like 2 or 3 of them. Like you could put that in a tote, in a tub, in the hall closet. There's a better place for that to go. So she said she would go through her shelf and she would get rid of some things and try to eliminate that shelf altogether. And I told her that we would work on this bathroom. So the paint colors I had left over from different projects were blue from my mom's kitchen, of course. I had black paint. I mean, that's a staple. I had white paint, green from my dining room. I also had the pink from my dining room. So that was the main colors. I had gray, but gray is what's in here right now, so that wouldn't be a big change for her. So she wanted her vanity black and her walls pink. The color pink is Forever Fairy Tale, and that's from Home Depot, Bear Paint. So of course we ran it by my mom and my dad. They both said that it was okay, so that's what we did. So I had her go through and clean. I went in after her and I cleaned after she got that shelf out, and while she was going through those things, I cleaned this bathroom. I scrubbed it down good. I wiped walls and the counter and the cabinet down good, and then I got started painting. In the beginning, I said that I wasn't gonna spend anything. Like this was gonna be a zero cost project, but you will see that there are a few things that I do spend money on and that she needs. One thing being a faucet because it leaked. So she really did need a new faucet. I painted her old faucet black in this video just to see what a black faucet would kind of look like there, because we were debating just the stainless look or black, so that kind of gave us an idea. And then I also went through and I painted her hand towel, her toilet paper holder, things like that, black. I don't get to the trim in this video, but I do want to paint all of that trim white. I do paint the trim around the door, and I paint the door. And I had enough bathtub paint that I could paint the front part of what shows on this bathtub white. The bathtub has yellowed, and it's like so yellow. Once I put that white paint on there, my mom was like, oh my gosh, the whole thing needs painted. But I did just paint what shows because she always has that shower curtain pulled. I also showed you a clip of what my mom's kitchen paint looks like from a distance, so you can see like the living room, the dining room, and the kitchen, kind of how that flows. But stick around and see how we transform this bathroom into something a little better. It's not perfect, but it's better. And that's what we're striving for, is just better.
Like this right now. I don't know if I can make it when I walk alone.
I don't know if this road is too long, guess I'll make it somehow.
Can somebody come and save me? I just wanna know. To win a surprise that you pay with this tonight. So keep playing hard and aim for the stars. Cause to win a surprise that you pay with this tonight.
I'm not gonna lose myself this
I'm
time.
not gonna lose myself. I'll be standing right.
So I didn't pull nails or screws, none of that out of the wall. She told me just to leave those. She has some things that matches that she's going to hang in here and decorate this bathroom. And she's going to use those nails and all of that to hang that with. So I told her that was fine. If she doesn't use some of those, I can always just pull it out, patch it, and then touch it up later after she gets everything situated.
And I'll win the fight. And I'll win the fight.
I'm not heading for the stars, driving down the boulevard at night. Playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. Turning up the stereo in a place I didn't know till now. In a different part of town, I see new colors as the sun goes down. No, it doesn't even matter to me where I go, just feel I need to take a ride. I don't know when I'll get back, keep on going and relax tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go.
This exhaust fan needed to be cleaned and it had yellowed as well. I don't know why things yellow like that in a mobile home, but I know a bathtub or a sink or just anything kind of plastic or whatever it's made of, I'm not sure, but things like that tend to yellow. So I just went over this with white paint and it's fine. I did my ants like that too. It doesn't hurt anything. It doesn't affect how the fan works or anything like that, but it looked so much better. When you stop and think about it, it's just the little things like that that make the biggest difference in your home. Like this didn't cost anything, just to slap some white paint on it and make it look brand new again. Another thing that I spent money on was a new shower curtain rod. So I went to Ross. The shower curtain rod was like $6. It was a black tension rod. I asked Mom, I was like, what in the world? Like what? And she was like, it's screwed into the wall. It's the one that came when we bought it. And I was like, well then unscrew it and put a new one up. But she's kind of not into doing stuff like that. As long as it's functional, she leaves it and it works. But it was an eyesore. It was definitely time for a new one. And Heather had gotten off work at this point, so she stopped by and rolled just a little bit. She was in good clothes, and I was like, don't come in here. You're going to ruin your clothes. But she would not listen, so she rolled just for a few minutes. And then she went and hung out with my mom for a while and chit-chatted about Virgin River. She's kind of into that now. I watched the first 3 seasons and then I kind of got out of it, but I'm kind of getting back into it again. So I think we're on season 5 now. Let me know if you guys watched that. If you guys watched that, if you've got anything else you watch that's good, let me know. I don't really watch a whole lot of TV. I will watch like a few people on YouTube as I'm doing things like this. I'll just put them on my phone just to listen to them or to watch. But I don't watch a lot of TV. I don't have a lot of time as far as sitting down and doing things like that. If I'm sitting down, I'm usually editing. But I also wanted to throw some paint on this door. It had yellowed a little bit too. A lot of what's in this bathroom is original, and this double wide is a 97 model, I believe. I believe I was 17 when they bought this. So anyway, I painted the trim around this door white just because the door facing was white. So when the doors open, it looked funny with that being brown and the door facing, like the insides of the door being white. I would like to go through and paint all of her trim white. I thought about doing black, but I love black paint, but black paint does not like me, and I make such a mess with it, so I'll probably just stick to white. But her doorknob is another thing I noticed that would be something fairly inexpensive to replace, and it kind of looks dated, so maybe we'll get her a new doorknob soon too.
Yeah, I've been in the fire line way too long. What you said is playing on repeat in my head. Baby, you hurt me bad, but that's all you do now. That's all you do now. You shut me down. You shut me down. Yeah. You shut me down. You shut me down. Oh. You shut me down. You shut me down. You hit me, baby. You shot me down. My heart is bleeding. I'm scarred for life. 'Cause I've been in the fire line way too long. Yeah, I've been in the. You shut me down. Yeah. You shut me down. Oh. You shut me down. You shut me down. You shut me down. You shut me. Should I keep your number on my phone? Should I keep it or let go? Keep your number on my phone. Why should I keep your number on my phone? Should I keep it or let go? Keep your number on my phone. Through the day, keep it safe. Faster than a puppy loose. Got no time for your vices. I'd rather be alone. You love me, and this isn't your party. Yeah, so long all the times that I miss. Sure you wanna feel sorry, but what does it mean? To a clown with no mess, to a filth in a sheet. Sorry I lost you, and I know you don't like it. Yeah, so long all the times.
So instead of painting this countertop, I just chose to go with contact paper just to give it a different look so it wouldn't be dark counters on top of a dark cabinet. The contrast is better now, and one day if they decide to put a new countertop or if they want their old one back or whatever, you just peel this off and it doesn't hurt anything. So another thing that I spent money on was a faucet, and this faucet was just $29 and it's functional and it's decent. It looks much better than those knobs she had on her old faucet. It just looked so dated. But we decided to go with just the stainless look because honestly, I was looking at the black ones, and the black in this style, the same exact faucet, but just black, was $80 just for a different color in it. So we just went with this one for sure. That was crazy. And I installed that, didn't have any problems, no leaks. Thank you, Jesus, because that has never happened that easily for me. But Kaylin did go through her shelves. She decluttered so much stuff. After she got to going through it, she brought some shampoo and conditioner in the bathroom, and she was like, Lexi gave me this and it makes my hair so oily, I feel like. So I'm just going to get rid of it. And then I was like, yeah, see, you don't need to keep that. So she got rid of so much stuff. I also spent $3 on a new handle for her. I got this at Home Depot and it fit. Like I said, that usually doesn't happen for me. I get the wrong size because I had no idea which one to get, but it did fit. When I took that old one off, I did have to paint from where it was bigger than this one, but I painted that, I let that dry, and then I put that new handle on. So I also caulked around the sink, and I put some edging around the counter and the wall there, just so water can't get up and under this contact paper. And then I also got her a new shower curtain and new rugs, and those were like $12 a piece at Ross. So I spent around $75. I think it might have been $77 actually when I got to looking. But what a difference it made. Just time and some elbow grease, using things we had, just painting the front of that bathtub, painting that vent, getting that shelf out of here, updating that countertop and that cabinet. It just looks so much better. And like I said, it's not perfect. I would love to put some new flooring down in here. I would love to put a new sink bowl in, but you know what? It is so much better. And that's all that matters. It works. Everything in here works. It's just updated. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Jesus loves you. And I will see you in the next one.
Hearts are losing hope. Yeah, I know it's hard. I wanna be a shining light, live a life that shows through.